When you upload your resume to online resume banks, many ask you to name your resume by giving it a title. To give you an example, I've logged on to monster.com to show you where you will be asked to provide this information. Keep in mind that you will have to set up an account to do this, but don't worry, it's free. Once you set up your profile, you can click on the Create Resume box, which is located right here. Once you do, you'll have the options to either build, upload, or copy and paste your resume. So you can just select one. I'll choose Upload. The next box you'll see is select the resume you want to use, and you can browse for it. But right underneath of that is the resume name, which says employers will see this title, and also the desired job title. In other words, on monster.com here, for example, the information that's included here will be seen by recruiters and employers when performing their searches looking for job candidates. Therefore, it's very important what you choose here as opposed to just typing anything thinking it's irrelevant to your job search. Actually, it's quite the opposite. Also, you can use the same information in the resume name underneath of the desired job title. There are many considerations when choosing a job title for online searches. You want to be sure you choose a title that employers and recruiters will be searching for. For instance, say you have a job title currently that is not an industry standard title. Let's say you're a bartender, but the current title the restaurant has given you is alcohol custodian. If you're looking to switch jobs and you put alcohol custodian as your title, anyone looking for a bartender is never going to find you in their searches. In order to write an effective job title, you must do some research. Jump online and search resume banks for positions you will be interested in applying for. Note the most common descriptions for the position you are seeking. When you're creating your title, add as much information as you can. Most resume banks have a limit on the number of characters that you're allowed to use. For example, monster.com has a character limit of 35. You need to try to communicate in those few characters who you are and what you offer. For example, instead of simply using the word bartender as your title, use bartender professional server certification. You can use common industry abbreviations such as IT architect, Microsoft certified technology specialist, graphics designer, creative suite Java, SAP, ABAP developer with 5 years, pharmacokinetics scientist, PhD with 12 years. And by the way, if you can say this one, you deserve your PhD. There's a handy little tool in Word to help with a number of characters. If you have Word 2010, highlight the title, and only the title. I just grabbed the space there. And then go to Review, Proofing, and Word Count. This tool will tell you exactly how many characters you're using. It tells you how many characters with spaces and with no spaces. And although I'm using Word 2010, most other versions of Word contain this feature as well. It actually can be a lot of fun being creative with your title. Try different combinations, use abbreviations, and create the best title for your position that will tell the employer who you are, what position you are looking for, and how your experience can help them. The point is to create a title that will entice the employer to read on.